Railway Protection Force Hyderabad Division launches Pink Patrol for passenger safety. Every day, thousands of passengers rely on MMTS local trains for convenient and secure travel across the city. Ensuring their security remains a top priority of the Railway Protection Force. However, women passengers sometimes face security challenges during their journey. Unauthorized entry into ladies' coaches, harassment, and other nuisance activities can create fear and discomfort, affecting their confidence while traveling. To address such situations, a dedicated WhatsApp group named Shakti Sathi connects women passengers directly with RPF control, drone team Shakti teams, field inspectors, and for real-time assistance. Upon receiving an alert from a passenger through the Shakti Sathi WhatsApp group, the Divisional Security Control immediately activates the response system, informing the drone team as the first responder, along with the Shakti team and on-duty inspectors. The drone team acts as the first responder, instantly deploying drones to track and monitor the concerned MMTS train, ensuring real-time surveillance of the situation and movement of offenders. Simultaneously, the on-duty RPF inspector along with the Shakti team reaches the train, intervenes promptly, apprehends the offender, and ensures the security of passengers. Strict legal action is taken by RPF against the offender, reinforcing a strong message of zero tolerance towards crimes against women. With RPF Hyderabad's Pink Patrol, women passengers can now travel across the MMTS section with confidence, security, and peace of mind under continuous drone surveillance. RPF Hyderabad Division proudly launches Pink Patrols, dedicated drone teams for women's security over MMTS.